putting your faith in John Mahama to come and lead change and rescue our country. God bless you all. God bless you all. I have the singular honor to introduce Excellency John Dramani Mahama to come and speak to you. But before I do that, we have to save this country from the ravages of the Nana Addo Dankwa Bawumia misrule, their misgovernance, and their loot, to use the loot for state capture. We must stop them, and we must stop them with your support. Today's war, you are sending a strong warning to Nana Addo Dankwa and Bawumia that you police the ballot, protect the ballot, and ensure a John Dramani Mahama victory. I have only one message for you. I hear the NPP and a certain professor have said that the NDC have no record of a social policy or social intervention. Let me remind him that rural electrification, as President Mahama mentioned at Kempinski, is a worthy signature initiative of the NDC, which has changed lives and benefited Ghanaians. But what is even worse, in this country, there must be intellectual honesty. The 1992 Constitution was bequeathed to Ghanaians by the PNDC-NDC. There is absolutely nothing wrong for the NDC to even take credit for transiting Ghana from an authoritarian rule to a democratic rule. Let alone a constitutional provision. What Professor Domfe must know, that Jerry Rawlings worked with very brilliant people. Professor Kwamina Hoy remains the father of decentralization. And we are reminding Professor Domfe that even before Article 252 of the 1992 Constitution, there was a PNDC Law 207 on decentralization. That was NDC. And therefore, when President Mahama said that it is to the NDC credit that a common fund was established under Article 252 of the Constitution, it remains a matter that is sincere and honest and cannot be contested. Let alone say that what the common fund have done, many countries have come to Ghana to learn our decentralization program and policies. And they have come to learn because it went beyond mere constitutional provisions to us creating decentralized institutions of government, of municipal district assemblies. The developments that have occurred as a result of the district assembly common fund can only be to the credit of the NDC. So Professor Domfe, come again. So the professor, he must come again. It was not only the 1992 Constitution of Article 252, even before it, there was a PNDC Law 207. That is credit to the PNDC and the NDC. In one breath, we shouldn't take credit for what Rawlings did. In another breath, we must pay for the sins of what they say they don't accept. So to avoid a state capture, the NPP is determined to capture the state of Ghana as if it's their bona fide and their own. The only person who can stop this capture, welcome him. The only person who can stop this capture is state capture. Rescue the country, develop the country, save the economy of the country. Join me in one family.
Ababoe kaje wane bada mo fia mo shi aka mene no wenne mo fe wo ba nie mo no wo nie ne mo fia mo ne nie ko ne ba bia mene e pass aka ba fe campaign NDC on e try de ane ye fe ne passi ma mo fia mo certificate aka na fe campaign NDC John Mahama can the MP say the parliamentary candidate say na fe campaign here now one do Kenya ke afi e jani huwe beni I have for shiki here beni wa na oh na free light free food na benamini ba ameke no blue san ameba ko ke kota ke blocky ke 70 na wo kwa moduba si afine no mwa ake John Mahama lebaye ka oyo ebie ake His Excellency John Mahama ba here one no ke eyomo wa Kenya ke bo fia mo ni di wo ba fe sure aka voted le ba voter wo ba protect voter moko vote to ekwe ni wo ba yame ni ka wo yame and back hand over peacefully many war aka me hand over come on hotel po amejo fi ameshi hotel ahuna yeye o mi ka mo fiamo ka se be o ba vote ni ko vote nwe o ba kwa balote o ba protect box o ba protect your agency o ba mashika coalition center ni bana ba cha market 12 o ba ti tonu onya boss NDC yomo democracy na to democracy it's about our welfare ni for the past 8 years ne minity wa welfare ni oyo e ba shikura e bere to money has ke kotoko ya twa football ni ke moko ewu ke moko enya and it's about welfare the god la ke he no yo ni fia de fiti ha boy je o to ba di bono vote ogbo nyemi ogbo nyanyu ogbo nga ogbo bi na ba to lie na ba vote the ka vote nwe o wa mo je no ko ni baba o mo fe ma vote ba ki fiti no fe mene ka wa shibia ne mo fia mo afa ko yeshia aka won to ni na fit ke han general 7 no ya flash house no wa ko we ni je me yo okay yo mo baba na be mi da mo fia mo shi campaign team of His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama ke e da mo fia mo shi ni afini ba ne ba na noko ne twa no manyaba amen ata de wa Professor Alabi ata de wa le Yesu Boji duduada Yesu da siete Nyadu jigoto Boji duduada Yesu da siete Nyadu jigoto Boji duduada Academy. We are taking our MPs on stage now. So if you are here
and I mention your PC or your MP, let me hear a loud sound. Representing the World Bank of Greater Accra, Ashama of the United States, Ernest Henry Nogbe. Representing the good people of Shai Osudoku, Linda Akwele Oklu. Representing Harbour City, the good people of the Harbour City, Isaac Ashai Odampton, Tema East. Representing the good people of Adan, Honorable Doyo Kujo. Representing the people of Okaikwe South, Ernest Adumaku Kion. Odo Ashikote, representing Odo, representing Okaikwe Central, Baba Sadei, representing the people of Ablekumanov, Erabna Open, Adasongo, representing the people of Sege, Keshibese, representing the people of Domia Bravo,